in this video I'm having a look at the number plane. We also call this a Cartesian plane. So with our number plane, we have positive numbers in the x side. We also have negative, and then we have our y-axis where we have positives and negatives. So we call this our x-axis, the horizontal line going through 0, 0, and our y-axis is the vertical line going through 0, 0. We always list our coordinates with the x-coordinate first and then the y-coordinate. And we then can also name the quadrants. So we have our first quadrant where the x's and y's are both positive, our second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So we can locate coordinates in different quadrants as well. So looking at labeling some values. So our A here has the coordinates of -2, 3. Because we've gone across to -2 up to 3. Our B over here is we've gone across 1 and down 2. So B has the coordinates of 1, -2. Our point over here, C, we've gone across 3 and up 1. So C has the coordinates of 3, 1. And then D, we've gone across to -3 and down to -2. So D is -3, -2. Our center point here we call the origin. You might see that as O, and that's where we have 0, 0. That's about all that you will look at in terms of using the number plane, the Cartesian plane. When you first get started, you might be labeling points, you might be plotting points on the Cartesian plane.